At syempre yung pre-pageant, and now, we've come this far, i-announce na natin ang winners for the Mr. and Miss Teen Antipolo 2025. So we'll be having 3 winners for the Mr., the second runner, the second prince, first prince, and the Mr. Teen Antipolo 2025.
And of course, for the Miss Teen category, we have second princess, our first princess, and our Miss Teen Antipolo 2025 grand winner.
Okay, ready na ba kayo, Malangan? Antipolo! Para natuloy na yung mga iba. Ready na ba kayo?
We start on with
the Mr. Teen Antipolo
second princess.
Second prince.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Alright. Wala ba tayong paano dyan? Pa-drum roll or pa-kundi? Okay. With an average score of 92.33%. Our Mr. Teen Antipolo second prince or second runner-up is number 1. I'll do the honor.
Yes, Ate Bella.
Mr. Teen number 11, Kyle Eric Sanchez. Atras tayo muna po, backwards.
Girls, atras muna tayo.
Boys, panayap gentlemen.
Alright.
Thank you very much, mga
Thank you,
judges
Sir
natin.
Madam.
And presenter. And right now, Adeline, you do the honor of announcing the second princess.
Okay, Antipolo, are you ready for our Miss Teen Antipolo 2025 second princess?
Thank you very much, GISE, for the tabulation. Maraming salamat po.
And ENJ Talents and Production, headed by Sir John Villanueva. And of course,
Mamandito Cinco and Engineer Elmer Bernal.
thank you very much, for without you we are nothing.
Average score of
93.51%.
anong number?
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of our second princess is the Miss Teen Antipolo 2025 second princess is candidate number 9. Great girl, Pasha. Congratulations to our Miss Teen Antipolo second princess, Vinat Pasha.
Alright.
Alright. Bella, we are going to announce the
first prince
number 7 or number
of 2025 Mr. Teen Antipolo. To be awarded by, nasa na mag-award sa ating first prince, Heaven, is it Heaven and Chan?
Sunod-sunod na naman kasi
Okay.
sila. Oo nga.
Let's do this. for the first prince. And ladies and gentlemen, sino po ang first prince for 2025? Sino ang pick nyo?
Sino?
Thank you very much, Mayor Judy Nares, with an average score of 96.43%. The first prince, or the first runner-up for Mr. Teen Antipolo 2025 is... Yes, it's you. Mr. Teen number 7, John Ryan Nadal.
Congratulations, Mr. Teen number 7.
John Ryan Nadal. Thank you very much to our presenters and judges.
And at this very moment, Adibela, we are to announce our Miss Teen Antipolo 2025 First Princess.
Number 8 lang.
Antipoleños, are you ready?
This is signed by our dear judges and our
Chairman of the board.
Number 8 or
Ayan.
number
Okay.
10?
Thank you so much, our chairman of the board, Doc Rob Vega.
Thank
Hi,
you so
Doc
much,
Rob.
Rob.
Okay, let's do this. The first princess or the first runner-up to be awarded by our first princess of 2024,
Christine Perez. And of course, Mr. Edward Pante. Mr.
Our
Rizal.
reading, Mr.
Rizal 2025. And our local sponsor.
Thank you very much, our dear judges. Eto na.
With an average score of 93.64%.
Sino sigaw nyo?
Sino?
Do the honor? Naku, walang ka pa ng mind. Wala naman. Wala talaga. Eto na. Ano ba may suspense? Ayan na. Gusto ko ikaw mag-announce. Thank you very much. Kaya...
Thank you so much for our technical team. Ayan.
Oo.
Napakabilis.
Thank you. Okay, announce it. With an average score of 93.64%.
Our Miss Teen Antipolo 2025 First Princess is...
Okay.
Candidate number 10, Angela Luis Santos.
We'll be announcing the winner of Mr. Teen Antipolo 2025 with an average score of 97.71%.
And now may we call on our presenters. The reigning Mr. Teen Antipolo, Mr. RJ Flora.
Flora, let's do this. Ay, ang ganda nitong i-video. Kung sino magawag i-video, diba? The Brotherhood.
And of course, Sir Rob, Dr. Rob.
Dito kaya kayo? Punta kayo dito, guys. Young gentlemen. Jay, dito kayo.
Gentlemen, sa gitna kayo.
Dito kayo para makita natin dito. Dito kayo. kayo, dito kayo.
Boys, dito kayo.
Dapat kayo dito. Gawin kayo ganito para maganda. Dito kayo, yan.
Yan.
Para makita naman kayo because you made brotherhood naman talaga. Bilog lang kayo.
Ayan, bilog lang na ganyan. Okay.
Okay. Antipolo! Our Mr. Team Antipolo 2025 with an average score of 97.71% is no other than you!
Sino?
You have the Infinity candidate number 8, Vincent Yan Revilla! Sa mga young gentlemen na natin nandito, palakpakan naman po natin sila. Kasi hindi po talaga, hindi po talaga ganun kadali sumali sa mga pageants, di ba po? Kaya, grabe, we salute you guys, congratulations. Palakpakan po natin the remaining candidates natin for the top 8. Job well done. Alright.
Ladies.
Alright.
Ayan.
To be awarded.
You may go to the center. Okay.
By our reigning Miss Teen Antipolo 2025 and our Miss Teen International Philippines 2024. 2024. Miss Eliana. Mama. Let's do it. Miss Hershey and our dear judges, thank you very much. Okay. This is it. Okay, Adrian, do the honor. Dito na tayo. Okay.
Antipoleños with an average score of 94.21%.
Grabe. Ang gagaling nitong batang to talaga. And indeed,
The grand